Introduction. A brief introduction about the project. Steps. The steps taken to implement the project. ER and RS. Entity relationship diagram and relational schema. Screenshots. Screenshots of the Windows application. Conclusion. What we have learned from this project. Teacher. The teacher entity basically a person would teach and has relation. In other words, a teacher can teach a course and he or she has students. Student. The student is also a person, plus it has student ID, takes and has relation, which means a student can take a course and has a course teacher. Person. The parent class of student and teacher. The person class is implemented because student and teacher has many common attributes. The common attributes are SSN, FName, LName, address, email, and phone. Course. The course entity attributes, course ID, and course name. Enroll. The student enrollment attributes, midterm grade, final grade, and SPACIT. ERDplus.com is used to draw ER diagram and relational schema. SSMS. Microsoft SQL Server and Microsoft SQL Management Studio is used to construct the database. Visual Studio is used to construct the Windows application. ER diagram. In the next slide, we will see the entity relationship diagram. The ER diagram is used to analyze the entities and their relations. RS. After that, the relational schema will take place. Relational schema gives us an idea about how the database will be constructed in SQL. Tables. There are four main tables: person, student, teacher, and course. The rest of the tables represents the relations between them and some multivariate attributes. Procedures. The database has 26 different procedures. For example, the SPACIT procedure calculates whether the student passed the class or failed. Triggers. SegmentationFault database has two triggers, SPACIT insert and SPACIT update. They both call the SPACIT procedure. Views. The database has two views, teacher view and student view. These views makes the programmer to see the teacher and student classes with less effort, because the teacher and student classes are inherited from person class. Insert. Inserts a record. Update. Updates a record. Delete. Deletes a record. View. Views all records. Search. Searches a specific record. Entities. The entities are determined. Relations. The relations with the entities are drawn in the entity relationship diagram, and then it's transformed into a relational schema. Database. The database is constructed using SQL. Desktop application. The desktop application is constructed using Visual Studio.